Alright people, so guess what? The schoolboy football season is back. And it started off with a big bang. Anyways, people, big up on yourself. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. Jamaica College, Lennon College, the two champions for their respective categories, showcasing the reason why they are champions, displaying the reason why they lift both titles respectively, not losing a game, going undefeated. But both teams in their respective competition, people. Think about it. I tell you. Alright, so let's start off with the first game, Lennon College versus Lennon. Half time, 5-0. That tell you everything. That give you all information about the game. Half time, 5? I think it's 5 of half time. 5-0 half time. No, surprisingly, CC has scored some easy goal. It was evident, you know, what Lennon was trying to do. Lennon was trying to play an high press with a high line. Trying to force CC back and let them play more possession, more in their own, way closer to their goal. Which is, yes, a smart tactic. Kind of smart tactic, but unfortunately the quality that Lennon College have, I mean people, the Malachi Douglas, the Devante Hodges, Kaim Dixon, Christopher Hall, people, the amount of quality that Lennon College team has, it was just way too much for the Lennon team. You can see that Lennon they do play football, but unfortunately they don't have the quality to compensate what Lennon College has. And score some brilliant goal. CC scored some really good goal. That set piece was brilliant. Really good set piece. So I think it was a good day of football for Lennon College. Unfortunately, Lennon will see where they fall short and today it seems like a tough. Or that is the group that they're in. So it seems like a tough. Alright, move on now to the next matchup. Jamaica College. Now, interesting starting lineup for JC. Quite a few of the U16 players and Pepsi and Colts, with one and two of the senior players like the Malachi, Sterling and these guys. Just those little sprinkle of seniority just to keep the team balanced. Just to keep the team balanced and basically compensate for the experience, for the lack of experience. So despite the youngsters coming out for JC, you can see that they still have high quality. You can see that it is evident that they still have high quality. They play. I think it was a relatively good game for overall. Tivoli, they really tried. You can see that Tivoli do have quality. You can see that they really push JC. They push JC. No, many might say the boy, it's not really JC first team per se, but majority of mixtures. And I think first team players compensate nearly about 30 to 40% of the squad, and the rest were inexperienced. So I would expect, and I did expect, that Tivoli Garden to put up a better fight, a stronger fight. Not saying that they didn't play well, but a stronger fight per se. I thought because of the inexperience in the JC squad, Tivoli could have gotten one over them. I thought that. I really thought that. But it just goes to show that JC, the quality, how they play football, really their tactical setup is very good. The system that they deployed is really good. Keeper playing high quite a few times. A lot of people said at some point in time the keeper might kick or miss, but Tivoli Lynch is a really good keeper. So he knows exactly what he's doing. They know, and the team know what to do. You can see the players moving in and around in their position easily, smoothly. Now, 1 and 2 times you can see that Tivoli exploited JC. Well, just 1 and 2 times. They didn't really capitalize on it. That Tivoli Garden goalkeeper Adair is a brilliant, really good goalkeeper. He kept Tivoli in the game. Unfortunately, just unfortunately, couldn't keep out JC for the entire time. But 2 set pieces they considered from, so maybe that's something that they need to go and work on. Anyways, you guys will get the next results. I might do a preview show tonight for the games tomorrow, so look out for that. Big up on yourself, people. Brilliant start of the schoolboy football season. I'll see you guys again. MG Sports TV, people. We are out. Boom.